Like I walk out here and look, man, I see what I done accomplished and the money I done saved, and I'm still looking just as good. I ain't worried about what nobody say, you know what I'm saying? I did this myself. If don't nobody like it, they don't like it. I'm happy with it. I'm happy with the bread I save, and I'm happy with the results. I'm clean. You can't tell me with what I'm doing, I can't pull up nowhere. I ain't trying to say I can win a car show or nothing, but for me to be done did this myself, I mean, I can pull up where everybody else can pull up. If I experiment on something and I lose $40, $50, that's better than me going to pay somebody in my car, sit up at their shop 2, 3, 4 months, and it still don't come out right. I'd rather some shit not come out right here in my own hands than to be pacing around waiting just to get your shit back or something and it still ain't right. I see a lot of that going on. So I might well do my own thing.